Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your MS Word 2016 is not working. So first I will show you that I have made it in normal doc file. So this is the original file that I have saved in my MS Word 2016. So as you can see that Wordpad does not support all the features of this document. So I'm going to try to open in Word 2016. So here I go. Yeah, so if you're having this pop-up, Windows cannot access the specified path, device path or file. So just follow me. So open your Task Manager and go to more details and search for 32-bit. So here it goes. It's a type of virus. So let me show you. As you can see that that size is 44.0 KB. It's saying that type is application. Okay, so I'm gonna trying to delete this, but it cannot be. So go to Task Manager and in the task, just click on in task, and now just hit Control Shift and delete. Oh, sorry, Shift delete. So delete also this win shell. Yeah, it's done. So now go to your file. So I open through MS Word 16. Yeah, it's working. So if you guys like the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.